There were many others, Al-Harith ibn Surayj, throughout history, even recently. Any Sudanese in the audience? Where are our Sudanese friends? Okay, you know the Mahdi movement of Sudan, right? The Mahdi movement, they're still around to this day, are they not? Yes, there's still a group in Sudan. 150 years ago, somebody claimed to be the Mahdi in Sudan, and he fought the British. And for a while he was successful, then the British completely, decimated his followers. But the group remains, and he claimed he was the Mahdi. And there is a movement, to this day they have a leader, they consider him to be the Mahdi. In India as well, I don't want to be too explicit, but there is a group, some of you know it, that they are a slightly different group than ours, even though they call themselves Sunni, but they are a slightly different group, and they have a Mahdi. They're in the tens of thousands. I have met one or two of them myself. They're in the tens of thousands, and they have this. And in Iran, there came a fad 200 years ago. Multiple people claimed to be the Mahdi, and one of them founded the Baha'i movement. The Baha'i firqa. It's